This is Ninja Express Chop. You can chop mince or puree in seconds. So this is basically what's inside. Let's open the package. This is a warning that open with care, contains loose and sharp blades. And this is owner's manual. And this is the head. So here's the button, and it is fully plastic. And the head is a little bit heavy. So this is the container. It told you to open with care. And here is the little lid. Okay. Yeah, you can see that here the blade is pretty sharp. And the middle part is plastic as well. And basically you just put this one in. This is the lid, a little bit soft. And you just put this one on, and once it's in there, it looks exactly like this, and you just push, it's gonna be start working. And this is how much you can fill. So basically there is half a liter, so that's the most it can do. So at the bottom it got some rubber, so if you put it here, it's not going to move. It's not easy to flip it over, so it's upside down to push. It should be very stable. Alright, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.